to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. We've got a daily chart of Tesla here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Tesla today is down 2%, $210.46, down almost $5 a share. Volume's 37 million shares. Average volume 71 million shares. It's about 12 noon on Friday, the 4th of November. I'm going to show you a few hourly, daily, weekly charts, and then I'll show you some algorithmically generated entry prices here for Tesla in a minute. Let's take a look. Tesla's in a bear market. It's been in the bear market for a long time. It's been flirting with the 200-day moving average, but it sold off here at the end of September and back down in a bear market. Now, it's not an extreme bear market. If we take a look at a weekly chart real quick, we can see Tesla's not below its 200-week moving average. It has made some new lows here and violated these previous lows that were established back in early May of around 206. It's put in this low here of $198 last week, and it has not and it does not look like it's going to take that out this week. So that's a good sign. It also made a new high this week on a weekly basis. So that's good news for Tesla. But it's below the 20-week moving average. It's flirting with the 5-week moving average, but it's still above the 200-week moving average. Let's go to the hourly chart real quick. We can see Tesla on an hourly basis is a different story. It's been below the 200-hour moving average, this blue line, all the way since September 22nd. It flirted with it right here, and they sold the heck out of it. They drove it back down, and that's where it is right now. You can see very weird sideways movement right through here from yesterday, a big jump up to 23 bucks to this morning, and then a crash. Very interesting. Kind of strange. You can't see the gap on this chart, but there's a gap on a minute chart. It's very difficult for me to show you, but it's very hard to see. But there's a big gap on this, and I'll show you why I say that in a minute. From a technical analysis perspective, it's hard to say what's going on with Tesla. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of disagreement. People are fighting it back and forth. But the analysis is easy. Bear market stock trying to rally, having a really hard time doing it. People are shorting it or selling out their longs as soon as it puts in any kind of rally. That's just what's going on with Tesla. And we can go back to the hourly chart and see it. The minute it got close to the 200-hour moving average, they sold the heck out of it. They sold the heck out of it here. They sold the heck out of it here. So look at these lower lows, and then it comes up, tries to make a rally, but this is not a rally. That's not a rally. That's sideways with extreme just pounding it once it rises. I'll show you a rally. That's a rally. This is an hourly chart, keep in mind. Tesla right now can't even generate a 2 or 3 day rally on an hourly chart. So it's a very weak stock. Not being negative, just pointing it out. It's a very weak stock with a lot of people negative on it. Again, here's another look at the weekly, and from a weekly perspective, we're looking down here for support at $182. That's what we're looking at. If it breaks $182, it's going to be and then there's another one here at $179. If it breaks the 180 level significantly, that's going to be headed down. Probably Tesla's probably headed down to 160. So let's take a look and see what we see here. Algorithmically generated entry prices today for Tesla: 208, 211, 213, 15, and 20 trading day holding periods. Tesla's trading between $210.90 and $223.80 today. So the 5-day and the 20-day have been held. We'll see what happens to those in terms of whether or not they end up showing a profit. This is really interesting here. This is the 30-day trend system. Keep in mind, all for entertainment purposes only. Everything's hypothetical, but 30-day hold. Get in today, assuming your own analysis says a good idea. Get out at the end of 30 trading days just before the market closes at a loss. Let's take a look and see what it says for Tesla. It's got a buy at 221.20 now. If you look at a 1-minute chart, I don't think you could have filled that this morning. It gapped up through it to the 223 level. So, you know, it's debatable whether that was a legit entry or not. But it did trade through it. I just don't think you could have got it. But the important takeaway is both our short-term algo and our trend-following algo have buys on Tesla. I think that's extremely interesting. I'm not sure what it means, but I think it's interesting. Keep in mind, everything you see in here on here is for entertainment purposes only, including my commentary and our entry prices. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. So we have 190 stocks you can get access to every morning, like Tesla, and they are available free, no credit card required. Link in the description below. Follow it to rbamresearch.com. Put in your email address. Get instant access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and most liquid futures contracts, all updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a different stock, a major stock that's got some decent volume, and you want us to do an analysis on it to put up here on YouTube, just put the ticker symbol in the comment section below. And if we can do it, we'll do it for you.